So Apple just released their newest iteration of software for the iPhone, iOS 14, and I gotta say I really wasn't expecting any of this. Starting off with the home screen, yep, we finally have widgets. Apple says they're data rich, meaning they display a chunk of information. There's a few widgets to choose from and they're quite accessible by just pressing on an open area on the screen. Now another neat thing is that they are sizable, or at least you can choose from different sizes. One thing to note though is that you can't really place them wherever you'd like. They kind of default to a specific location, but regardless, it's nice to finally see them native to the iPhone. There's also a unique widget here called Smart Stack, which you can swipe through to get through numerous information or widgets. Apple seemed to mention AI or machine learning a lot throughout their keynote, and this widget seems to display information based off that. We also now have an app library that neatly organizes your apps in what looks to be folders. Once there, you can swipe down from anywhere on the screen to get to a list view of all your apps. And again, Apple says they use AI to kind of give you suggestions on what apps to use next, and that also goes for how apps are organized in those folders. I find it quite useful, and I can see how this can kind of declutter your home screen. Now in addition, you can hide home screens now, so basically you can just declutter your iPhone and not have to swipe through numerous pages to get to the apps you want. You can access this by getting to that jiggle mode and tapping on the dock here, and then you can just deselect or select whichever pages you want displayed. Oh, and another great feature that I'm sure we've all been waiting for, PMP is finally here, picture in picture. It looks to work with some apps at the moment. I got it to work with Netflix, but I haven't really tested it on anything else at the moment. Also, YouTube for some reason doesn't seem to be supported. But again, just like they showed on their keynote, you can basically drag it anywhere on the screen, open any new app, and it'll be there, which is pretty neat. You can also kind of drag it to the side and the audio will continue to play. And it also works for FaceTime calls, which can be quite useful. Siri also got a UI update and a couple of new features. She can do much more and it'll be less obstructive. For example, if I asked her for the weather, instead of taking the entire screen, I'll simply get a notification style banner with that information, which looks to be way more useful. And that seems to be the objective with iOS 14, more information at just a glance. Including when receiving calls, the notification again is less obstructive and looks way cleaner in my opinion. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos like this and all the new features on iOS 14, make sure you hit that like button. It helps out the channel. Sub for more, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.